Hello friends, today we'll discuss Charter Act 1853. In this brief lecture, we'll discuss important features of this act. The important fact is this Charter Act is the last Charter Act passed by the British Parliament for India. And in this act, many things happened. The first point is under this act, for the first time, legislative and executive functions were separated, and 6 members were added to the Governor General Council. We call this actually Governor General Council as Central Legislative Council. This is the point we have to remember. The first point is legislative and executive functions were separated, and CLC, Central Legislative Council, was established. And second point is legislation, or you can say the lawmaking procedure, now became important part of government, or you can say important function of government. So this is the point we have to remember. Second point is under this Charter Act, open competition was introduced. Actually, in a previous act, in 1833, there was an attempt to introduce civil service system. However, it was not implemented because Court of Directors opposed this proposal. And under this act, in 1853, first time civil service was introduced and implemented, and now Indians can participate in this civil service examination. This is the thing we have to remember. And under this act, in 1854, Lord Macaulay or Macaulay Committee report came regarding civil service. What will the provision of civil service, methods, everything was discussed and reported by Macaulay Committee. This is the thing we have to remember. And next point is, under this Charter Act, local representation was made. Local representation means out of 6 members, right? Out of 6 members which are part of Central Legislative Council, 4 members were from the local area, or you can say Madras, Bombay, Bengal, Agra. From these 4 areas, they represented. That means out of 6 member body, right? 4 members were from Bengal, Madras, Bombay, and Agra. This is the point we have to remember. The next point is under this Charter Act, East India Company, or you can say the functions of East India Company, was extended. However, it was very uncertain. That means at any point of time, British government, British Parliament can terminate the extension power of, or you can say those powers of East India Company. And here we have to keep in mind that under this 1853 Act, anytime East India Company, or you can say Crown rule, can come to an end. And that also happened within 2 to 3 years. Company rule ended in 1857, and in 1858, you can say Crown rule started. So you can imagine that under this Act, Charter Act 1853, Company rule almost came to an end. This is the point we have to remember. Anyway, and I hope you people understand this Charter Act, which is very important for common man. And if you have any doubt, you can ask me, and you can enjoy, you can study. And thank you very much. Wish you happy learning. Thank you.